stay bold. Pop and
Hello, welcome to Jiniga TV. This is Temitope Banks. I create content around fintech reviews, commentaries on trending issues, and things related to small businesses in Nigeria and in the world generally. So today we're going to be talking about how to improve your credit score with Fairmoney loan app. All right. Basically, Fairmoney loan app is a fintech application where people can request for quick loans and get it almost instantly. So, what is a credit score? A credit score basically is a number that shows to financial lenders that you have the capability to repay back your loan obligations. Okay, so in different countries it's called different name. Credit ratings in Nigeria, I think CRC is one of the bodies that are accredited to give you a credit score. So a lot of people, one of the complaints that people have is that they do not know why their loan was not approved, or even after they have successfully repaid a particular loan obligation, then they find it difficult to access another loan, or sometimes they've gotten a higher amount, but by the time they're applying for another amount they get a lesser amount. So a lot of times it has to do with your credit score and the credit ratings that you have, and certain things actually influences what your credit score is. For most fintech apps in Nigeria or in Africa, you can actually get your credit score within the app, but in other places you have to go through a credit bureau of some sort to know what your score is and if you are eligible for more loans or lesser loans. So Fairmoney loan app, they have their own criteria as to how you can improve your credit score on their platform so that you may be able to access higher amount of loans and all of that. So that's what we're going to be talking about today, how you can improve your credit score with Fairmoney loan app, because we are in a season where a lot of people are taking out loans and all of that. People are not working right now because of the pandemic, and a lot of people are anxious and they need money. Okay, so that's what we're going to be talking about. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that whenever I post content about fintech reviews, small businesses in Nigeria, loan apps, what are they called now? Quick loan apps, instant loan apps, then you will be notified, you will know. I also create other content too on commentaries on trending issues as well as small businesses, as I have mentioned. So hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. So let us get into the business of the day. So Fairmoney on their Instagram, on their Facebook page, posted some of the things that you can do to increase your credit score on their own platform. I have already done a similar video to this before, but when I saw that, let's make it streamlined and bring it down home, all right, so that people can know what exactly most of these applications want on their individual platform. So let's not just be that it's just a general information. So when I saw it, I was laughing because on Instagram I had already posted how to increase your credit rating. I just made it was a general kind of infographic stuff. So when I saw that Fairmoney put out their own how you can increase your credit score on their own platform, I was like, okay, that's good. So let's talk about it. So I'm just going to put a picture that I got from their platform. Then we'll also talk about the other things that they didn't include in that picture. But this gives you an idea of, okay, I need to be doing this in order to improve my credit score on the Fairmoney platform. All right. So the first thing that they said is use Fairmoney to pay your bills. So you know that they have other features on their app aside from just requesting for a loan. All right, so they are saying use Fairmoney to pay for your recharge card, pay for your, what are the other things that we do, your have to pay for your electricity bills, your cable bills, and every other thing that they offer on their platform. So that's a way to increase your credit score on their app, to use their app to do your other financial transactions apart from just requesting for a loan. Then secondly, they are saying that upload your bank account statement during loan request. So probably a lot of people ignore this step, but it is important because Fairmoney is a fintech application, unlike your traditional bank where they have traditional risk assessment. What is it called now? They carry out traditional risk assessment. For Fairmoney, they don't have the luxury to do that. All right, so they are going to make analysis from the information that you provide to them. So when you are filling your application, they get to know what your income bracket is and all of that, your employment details and all of that. So it is important that you upload your account statements during your loan request, because it also is going to help them to analyze where exactly you fit in. So a lot of times, if your account balance or your account statement has not shown that you have been doing transactions to a particular amount, then you cannot be asking for loans that are beyond your pay brackets in quotes, because it is what's the word I'm looking for now? It is a responsible thing for them. The fact that you want to take out a loan does not mean that other aspects of your life should suffer, okay? Because a lot of people, when they take out loans, they cannot meet up with their other obligations of life. So they're just trying to be a responsible company to help you to help yourself, because a lot of times people want to take out loans that in your heart that you don't have the financial capacity to pay back that loan, but because it's like, okay, it's national cake, it's free money, let's get this money from Fairmoney. So those are part of the things that they are thinking about when they say include your bank statements during loan request. Okay, then the third thing is to ensure you receive SMS from your bank. All right, because I know that some of us, we get emails, so they are saying ensure that you receive SMS from your bank. I believe that the rationale behind this is to say that, okay, you have the capacity to pay for SMS, because a lot of times people opt for the email options, okay, because it is free, it is cheaper, and you don't spend extra money. So they just want to see that, okay, this person is financially capable. Then the last thing that they included here is to pay your loan on or before the due date. If you guys have been watching my videos, you will know that I keep on repeating about the importance of paying your loans before the due date, okay? Because you have a contract, all right? You have a financial responsibility. When I go on Facebook and on other social media platforms, I see customers saying, oh, this happened to me and that is why I'm not able to pay back my loan, or that happened to me and that is why I'm not able to meet my obligation. Nobody cares about what happens to you. It is not a charity organization. They are in business to get back their money, and the way they make their money is from the interest that you pay on whatever loan or facility that you might have gotten from them. So it is important that you pay your money on time. Pay your money, pay your debt. Stop giving excuses, man. Just pay your debt. Pay, and it's all about planning. If you know that you have taken out a loan and they must have given you your repayment schedule of how much you're supposed to be paying back consistently, then you plan for it. It's not free money. It's in the fintech app case now, it's not like it's depositors' money or something, but they have a working capital, they have investors, they have to remit profits to their investors. So they cannot go back to their investors and be telling them that the people that borrowed money, or they say they don't have money. Nobody cares about that. Everybody wants to see that their money is coming back to them. I have a client that has a lending company, not a fintech company, and his investors are always on his neck, like, how much have you disbursed, how much have you, because the truth of the matter is that there's a lot of money available to be disbursed, but however, investors want to see that they can recoup their money back. So if you decide that you want to get charity or a grant, you can check out my other post on how small businesses can access grants in Nigeria. But if you choose and you say you are taking out a loan, sis, pay your bills before time, because it helps your credit rating, and they say, okay, this person is a responsible person and the person will pay back our money will not lost in this person's hands. Anyway, so I'm going to stop this video here today. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed, subscribe now to increase your credit rating. Subscribe and hit the notification bell, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.